Hello, good morning for Dinamik. It's me again, Sir Shafiq. We are going to continue with our lesson today. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's practice our vocab. Please read together with me, okay? Number one, ice skating. Ice skating. See the man? He is ice skating. Next one, ice skating rink. Ice skating rink. Ice skating rink is the place where you go to ice skate. Next one, play chess. Play chess. Bermain catur. Football. Football. Bola sepak. Play badminton. Play badminton. Bermain badminton. Now we need to memorize this phrase, okay? A quarter past. A quarter past. If you can see the long arrow on the clock show at number 3, meaning this is a quarter. 15 is a quarter. When it's at the number 3, meaning it's 15. So 1:15 is a quarter past 1, not 1 a quarter past, okay? A quarter past 1. But what about this number? A quarter past 9. This one, a quarter past 7. A quarter past 4. A quarter past 12. Okay, we have learned this in year 2. Next one, half past. Half past. You see the long arrow pointed at number 6. 30. So 1:30 is half past. Half past 1. What about this one? Half past 9. Half past 7. Half past 4. Half past 12. Okay, it's very simple. If quarter past is 15, is half past is 30. Very easy to remember. Now we're going to read and memorize the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency meaning how many times does the sentence show. For example, number 1, I always skate before dinner. Always, the red color word is always. Always meaning selalu. It's not only selalu, it's hari-hari. Meaning he do this every day. Okay? You see the red color box, meaning is full, meaning always is constant, it's not no stop. For example, sleeping. Got or not, we one day no sleep. No, right? We always sleep. We always sleep. Next one, usually. Usually. Usually is selalu, often. Okay, you usually play baseball after school. See, usually is not every day, but most day. Okay, almost always. Next one, sometimes. Sometimes is kadang-kadang. Is sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. And last one, never. Never is tidak pernah. You never did this, not even one time. Okay, always, usually, sometimes, never. Okay, now let's try to read again all of the vocab. Try to read and memorize the word. Number 1, ice skating. Ice skating. Ice skating rink. Ice skating rink. Play chess. Play chess. Football. Football. Play badminton. Play badminton. A quarter past. A quarter past. Half past. Half past. Always. Always. Usually. Usually. Sometimes. Sometimes. Never. Never. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read 2 texts. What you need to do is you need to listen and follow with me. you follow with me and try to understand the text as best as you can, because later you are going to answer three sets of questions related to Megan and Pablo. Okay, ready? A day in a life of a figure skater, Megan, 9 years old. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, so Megan, 9 years old, what she like to do in the morning is first she like to go to the ice skating rink because she is an ice skater. Okay, she is like to ice skate. So she go to the ice skating rink at 6:30. 6:30 is what? 6.30 or 6.15? I don't know. Okay, Megan, let's read again, and then we move on to Pablo. Okay, Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, now let's move on to the chess player. A day in the life of a chess player named Pablo. Let's read to them together. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. 8:15. 8:15 or 8:30. I don't know. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. Does not go home. He always goes to the chess club and play chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Okay? So this is a life of a chess player. You see that Pablo liked to play chess a lot. Okay, let's read one more time. Try to understand the text. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and play chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes bed at 9 o'clock. Okay, that's it for Pablo. Now what you need to do is you need to look below at this activity. I provided 1, 2, 3 sets of questions. Here is how you do it. The first one is arrange the sentence in the correct order. You see here I already give number 1. Pablo goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. So this is number 1 because it is true. Next one. Which one is number 2? Pablo goes home and does his homework. Number 2? Sorry. Number 2? Maybe? Maybe not. Pablo sleeps at 9 o'clock at night. This one, number 2. No. Pablo plays chess at the chess club. This one, number 2. I don't know. You try to answer yourself, okay? Next one, choose the correct answer. Does Megan go to school at 8:30? How do we know this is correct or wrong? You must go back to the story. You must go back to the video and go back to the story. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. She goes to school at 7:45. Does Megan go to school at 8:30? 7:45, 8:30. So you click here on the empty. So yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Which one? Yes meaning of course is correct. No is wrong. So if you think it's correct, you press correct. If you think it's wrong, you press the wrong. Okay? No. So you read all of the sentence and try to answer them as best as you can. Okay, if you want to know the answer, you go back to the video and look again at the story. And last one, match. Megan usually goes ice skating after dinner, after school, at 6:15, at 8:15 a.m. So which is it? Is it this one, this one, this one, or this one? So you take your finger, you just drag it across, okay? You can match this yourself. Okay, I think that's all for today for Dinamik. Please watch the video again for the story. The purpose of this activity is to test your comprehension, whether you understand or not what you listen and what you read on the video. Okay, how? By answering the question. If you answer all correct, meaning you understand the video. If not, you don't understand it. Okay, that's all for me today. Okay, goodbye.